back to the channel. My name is Bijan. This is my 2018 Ram 2500 if you guys haven't seen the past videos, but today I just want to do a quick video on installing these AlphaRex taillights on my 2018 Ram 2500. These are the stock taillights that come with the truck, and these leave a lot to be desired for it. So I went ahead and switched them out for these ones. These are the red smoke, and with the red smoke you get non-clear LED tubes. I don't know how to describe it better than that, but if you look at the dark black smoke one, then you look at the red smoke, you'll see that these aren't clear LED tubes, which looks really nice on the truck. So illuminated, I already got one side in for you guys. This is what it's gonna look like, and then this is what stock looks like. So I mean, for 200, and I think you could find it for 260 bucks for a pair of these, it looks a heck of a lot better. I'm gonna show you guys how to throw these in on the passenger side. Super simple, super easy, quick upgrade, and just as easy as that, we'll be done and have both sides ready to rock. First thing to do is get the tail light out. So you're gonna have a T25, and you'll have two T25 screws to remove. Remember, when you're tightening these, don't go super tight because you will absolutely snap this screw in the taillight. So once these two are out, super simple. Grab the taillight, pull out, and it should release no problem. So we're gonna come to our bulbs. Take the bulbs out. That one is being a pain. This one comes off easy as that. Set the taillight aside. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the top bulb out. If you want to reuse the bulb, just pull it out like that, and don't touch it with your fingertips. So we're gonna set that off to the side. Now we can grab the LED taillight. We're gonna have these covers to protect it when it was shipping or just moving around, so no dust gets inside. But we can go ahead and remove these now. All right. So what we're gonna do for this top one, plug it in just like that, and then this bottom one we're gonna go ahead and plug this one in as well. Ugly, but I got the job done. So for this top section, tuck the wires in gently, go ahead and then place this in, and then twist it in direction that locks it, and you're good to go. All right, time to reinstall it. Once you get it set up in, just go ahead and clip it in. And there you go, you're straight. Make sure fitment around looks good, so you're not scratching the side of your bed. Other than that, just tighten them up. Honestly, this is really simple. So I don't know what else I could really tell you guys. Nice and snug. There we go. So both of the taillights are on. Fitment is pretty good. All of the gaps look about appropriate side to side. I'm really happy with how this looks, and I'm also again happy that I don't have the white LED tubes showing. That's what reverse looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to be the first one to video a red smoke AlphaRex taillight on a 2018 or 4th gen Ram 2500. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, if it helped you out, like this video. That's all I ask of you. And if you want to stick around, subscribe. Until then, keep on camping, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. I want to do a quick little video of what these lights look like at night. So definitely appears a lot brighter and whiter. It's a lot more red in real life. So I'm gonna adjust the camera to what it looks like in real life. Right about there. So super cool. Huge fan of these things. Honestly, I've been very, very happy to look at the rear of my truck now, especially since it's ugly to start with. But super cool, super stoked, and no complaints from me. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.